R is for recognized. The people doing the work need to recognize themselves in the document. That's why I always recommend involving at least 2 people when documenting a process. The operator, who performs the work every day, and a facilitator who can ask questions and challenge those assumptions. Something interesting happens when people document a process together. Differences in how the work is done start to surface naturally. Why do you do it that way? Because that's how I was shown. That's how we've always done it. Those conversations are where the real value lies. And in my experience, where you find some surprises. You're certainly going to learn something. The goal isn't simply to document the process as quickly as possible. It's to deepen your understanding of the process itself. In many cases, the discussion around creating the SOP delivers as much value as the SOP that comes out the other side. For critical processes, it's also worth involving a subject matter expert, an engineer, a process owner, a quality specialist, to help identify key points, risks, and controls. And one final tip, the operator should hold the phone. Literally. When the person doing the work helps create the SOP, they don't use it as somebody else's document. They see it as their process captured in their words, for the benefit of the whole team. That's what recognition looks like.